Number 21. Do a good job. It means to perform a task well.
You did a good job on your presentation. You did a good job on your presentation. She always does a good job cleaning the house. She always does a good job cleaning the house. He did a good job fixing the car. He did a good job fixing the car.
Number 22. Do some work. It means to perform tasks or labor.
I need to do some work this afternoon. I need to do some work this afternoon. She did some work on her garden yesterday. She did some work on her garden yesterday. Can you do some work on this report? Can you do some work on this report?
Number 23. Do research. It means to study a subject in detail.
He's doing research for his science project. He's doing research for his science project. They did extensive research before buying the house. They did extensive research before buying the house. She does research on ancient history for her book. She does research on ancient history for her book.
Number 24. Do gardening. It means to work in a garden, growing plants.
On weekends, I like to do gardening. On weekends, I like to do gardening. She spends her mornings doing gardening. She spends her mornings doing gardening. They did some gardening and planted flowers. They did some gardening and planted flowers.
Number 25. Do a puzzle. It means to complete a jigsaw or other type of puzzle.
Doing a puzzle is a great way to relax. Doing a puzzle is a great way to relax. She did a puzzle with her kids yesterday. She did a puzzle with her kids yesterday. On rainy days, they often do puzzles together. On rainy days, they often do puzzles together.